Good afternoon, students. Standard 3rd. Subject English Prose. So, children, today in English Prose we are going to learn chapter number 7, Kashaba Jadhav. Now, who was Kashaba Jadhav? He was the first person to win a medal for independent India. He was a wrestler from Maharashtra and his name was Kashaba Jadhav. Have you heard about the Olympic Games? Yes, children, have you heard it? Now I explain you. Sportsmen from many different countries of the world come together for the Olympic Games. A number of events are held. There are games, athletics events like high jump, long jump, running, gymnastic events, swimming and diving competition, boxing and wrestling matches, and many other things. Many other things. The matches, the winners are given gold, silver, and bronze medal. An Olympic medal is an honor. An Olympic winner is considered to be a world champion. Now let's come back to Kashaba Jadhav. Kashaba Jadhav was born in a very poor family in a village called Goleshwar in Satara district. But it was a family that loved sports, especially wrestling. His father, Dada Saheb, was himself a wrestler. He had 5 sons. The youngest of them was Kashaba. Dada Saheb himself taught his sons wrestling. They were all very good at it, but the best among them was Kashaba. From an early age, Kashaba loved to watch wrestling bouts. His father took him to see the bouts from time to time. He was just 4 years old when he used to go with his father. Now you can see in this picture, he would sit on his father's shoulder and watch the bouts. Kashaba loved other sports too. At 10, he was the youngest to get into the akhada. Soon it became clear that he was also the best not only in his own akhada but in the whole area. Kashaba loved other sports. He took part in all of the other sports too. He went to Rajaram College in Kolhapur, where wrestling was encouraged. Kashaba took part in many wrestling bouts and won them all. In that area, he was the champion. Therefore, he was sent to wrestle at the state level and national level. Kashaba Jadhav became famous at the national level too. He beat the national champion Niranjan Das in 1948. That is why it was decided to send him to the International Olympic Games. When Kashaba Jadhav took part in the Olympic Games for the first time, he found that the Indian and international rules were different. Also, he was used to wrestling in an earthen pit. At the Olympic Games, the bouts were held on a mat. In spite of these differences, Kashaba Jadhav won a sixth place out of 42. The Olympic Games are held every 4 years. In 1952, Kashaba wished to take part in the Olympic again. But it was not an easy task. He had to prove his merit again and face the opposition of officials. Also, in those days, Olympic participants had to spend their own money for traveling to and staying in the place where the games were held. It was very expensive. Kashaba did not have that much money, and he did not get any money from the government. At last, the principal of Rajaram College gave his own house to get the money. Other people in Kashaba's village also helped. In 1952, Olympic Games were held at Helsinki. He won the first 5 bouts quite easily. He had won a bronze medal by finishing third. Kashaba Jadhav won a great honor for his country. Even when he did not have much help or facilities, today sportsmen have many facilities. Shouldn't we all try our best to win greater honors for our motherland? Thank you, children.